Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make graphs here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, just click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating graphs in Adobe Express is very easy and can be a great way to visually present data. Adobe Express has a few tools for adding graphs, charts, and infographics to your design. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or the design that you're working. If you haven't already, you might want to search for content or generate your own. Go to the template section right here. You can type, say for example, graphs, so we can start anything related to graph chart right here, or charts and graphs. You can choose from there. For example, this one right here, but please take note that for the template that has a premium watermark, you might want to avoid that for now because it requires a premium plan, because I'm using a free trial. If you do so, you might want to skip that. But if you have like a premium plan, just click on this if you wanted to see that kind of graph. Now, maybe I'm going to be using this one for now. And click the customize this template. All right. If you do that, you would be forwarded to the design that you're working. You see, all the layers here are stacked up together, right? On the upper right side corner. If you click on the layers, you would see them all here. Of course, you can customize all the elements in this graph that you wanted. All right. For example, I'm going to upload my own photo here. For example, this on the top right corner. Right. And I'm going to move the this one right here. Make sure that everything is set in place. All right. You can zoom in if you want to see that all the elements are perfectly blended together. And basically, that's how you create graphs and charts here in Adobe Express. Now, if you go to add something here, for example, I'm gonna copy that and go to the second page, paste it, and then to the elements section. If you type in, let's say, graph, you would notice that you have another option for you to create an assist of the graphs. There's a lot that you can choose from. All right, you can add this, add multiple graphs inside of it, and after that, all you have to do is click on save or share the link to your boss or your client. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.